Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Guys, welcome, guys. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. So let's talk about everything else that is happening in the crypto space. Yeah, guys. Bitcoin dipped down to $111,000 yesterday. But guess what? So we are recovering back up slightly. So Bitcoin is now trading above $113,500 right now. So the question now is that so is the correction over? So and where should we be heading up to from here? So should Bitcoin heading up to at least $124,500, which was the all-time high, or we should be going down from here? So, which is what we'll be looking into the chart, what the market is saying, what the data are saying. So, is the Bitcoin and crypto correction over now? So, what should you be preparing for? So, even if Solana dipped down to like about 112,000, sorry guys, $212, but now it's recovery back up slightly once again. Most of the altcoins were down. So don't be scared. As always, stay strong. Keep this here. We have some positive news in the market. So you guys can see Bitcoin is recovering back up. We'll be looking into most of the data. What are they saying? We have some positive news. Most of those corporate company keep accumulating Bitcoin. Then that's because most of them know the secret. They know that now that Bitcoin deep down is a huge opportunity to accumulate as much as many Bitcoin as they can. That's because so now they are buying in a cheaper price, which is how it works. So each time the market deep down, you have to DCA accumulate as much as you can, guys. BIT chart, man, as you guys can see on the screen. So on my heart, as you guys can see, be written. So that is BIT chart. The official streaming coin on Pump. Let me see. So you guys can see I'm streaming to Pump. So BIT chart is sitting around 17K 100 today. That is because the market is slightly down. You guys know Bitcoin and crypto is slightly down. But guess what? Let's dive into the market. Let's see what is happening in the crypto space. So first coming here, who is selling? Yeah, guys, I see the chart booming. So we'll be doing Q&A. So every end of this stream. If you have any question, drop your question on the chat. So drop your question on the chat, guys. You guys are welcome. Jude, Matthew, Favor, Faith, Matthew, guys, how are you all doing? Akachi, too funny. You see all the amazing comments and the amazing chat from you guys. So, guys, first, who is selling? You guys can say from Bitcoin. Just this is a US Bitcoin spot ETF. We have an outflow, so we show that so the Bitcoin spot ETF they also take profit as well. They also decide to sell some of their Bitcoin holding as well. But coming back to the market, the chart. What are the charts saying? So this is from Plan B. So Plan B said that so whether you like it or not, Bitcoin value is very much likely to it's a scarcity. Fiat will be printed, Bitcoin will rise. Yeah. So Plan B, what you are seeing here is that this stock to flow model. So it's expecting stock to flow model to head up here. At least we should be taking Bitcoin to like $250,000 a minimum day cycle now to 2026. But if history is on our side, at least 2026, the market should supposed to consolidate. Bitcoin should supposed to dip down slightly. So guess what? So most of the chart here still saying that so we have this chart here is predicting at least for Bitcoin to head up to $250,000. So we show that so despite Bitcoin trading around 112,000, 130,000, 115,000. Bitcoin has been trading trading sideways in the past few weeks. Guess what? So we still have a long way to go as of now, trading around the $130,500. We'll be trading sideways. So each time Bitcoin is trading sideways like this for a long term, it shows that so a huge move is coming. So which you guys need to prepare for this. So you don't have to be scared each time where we dip down. Yeah, see all the chat booming. Yeah, guys, greetings to you guys. Oh, greetings to you guys. So guys, share this stream with your friends and family. Let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. So you already know. So every single day I'm here to let you guys know what is happening in the market. For sure, that's because I know it's one of the way to encourage you guys to keep this here to so that so when the market is up, you guys will be in profit. Very, very important to keep this here, to keep accumulating as much as you can whenever the market is down. Son of man. The name, that name. You guys are amazing. So guys, stock to flows to predict at least 250K this cycle. That means at least another 100% from here. So we show that so I still don't think, I still believe 150K is still possible this cycle, but 100% pop this cycle once again, taking Bitcoin to $250,000. I don't think is possible, because if it's true on our side, we don't have so much time on our side, which is why I keep saying okay, keep this year taking profit, so that when the market is keep skyrocketing, you will still be in profit. You never go out from the market, you never sell your Bitcoin according to Sailor. So which coming here, I want us to see this chart here. So this is global liquidity, so versus a Bitcoin price. So global liquidity keeps skyrocketing, hitting all-time high. But guess what? Bitcoin usually follow this chart here. So we show that so the cycle, we are still not top out yet. So this global M2, which is almost hitting all-time high. So that's why Bitcoin dipped down slightly. It still shows that so we still have a long way to go. So Bitcoin is just consolidating. We have a long way to go. The cycle is still not topping out yet. So Bitcoin and crypto is just consolidating. We still have a long way to go. Even if Brian Armstrong, the Coinbase CEO, he said that so Bitcoin is still heading up to $1 million 2030. Yeah, it's just the next cycle from here, which is why I keep saying that so even if the market will dip down this cycle, it will not dip down like previous cycle. So all you need is to take profit when you're in profit and buy as much as you can whenever the market dip down. Buy when there is blood in the market, even if it is your own blood. That is how it works. And you guys who have been in crypto space for a while understand this. So global money supply, it keeps skyrocketing like never before. And Bitcoin will follow as well. So the cycle have still not top out yet. We still have a long way to go. Prepare, a huge move that no one expects is coming. It's coming for Bitcoin and crypto. So you guys already know that September, it's not usually a good month for Bitcoin and crypto. Despite that, Bitcoin still holding strong above $130,000. October, so I think it will be a good month for Bitcoin and crypto, and a Bitcoin will skyrocket. So stay strong, keep this year, don't be scared. Coming back here, so most of those public companies keep accumulating and accumulating as much Bitcoin as they can. So as you guys can see, Brazil public company, which is Orange BTC, just bought 3,650 Bitcoin. So which is worth almost about $500 million. That is $385 million worth of Bitcoin. Those guys keep accumulating and accumulating as much as they can. Fine, boss. How are you guys all doing? I'm good, guys. So, guys, share this room with your friends and family. Let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. Let's discuss about one of the best performing assets in the history of mankind. So, one of that asset that has created more than 36,000 millionaires between the past 6-7 months. So, Bitcoin has created more millionaires than ever, which any asset in the history have ever created, just in the past 6 months. So there's no any other asset in the history of mankind that have created more millionaires than Bitcoin and crypto. So which is why you need to be in the crypto space. You need to make sure you keep this here. You need to make sure you accumulate as much as you can. Now, each time we have a dip. That does not mean Bitcoin will dip below $100,000 once again. I'm telling you guys, so it will happen. But now the market is still trading sideways. We still have a long way to go. The cycle has still not ended yet. And if you are thinking of one of the meme coin you need to put your money on, so which you can trust them, is here, right here. It's BitChat. As you guys can see, I'm streaming to Pump Fund. So my streaming coin is live on Pop Fund, which is called B chart, as you guys can see. So we are live on Pop Fund right now. So make sure that you get some get some of these toolkit from Pop Fund, which is called a BYBIT chart. So it's a long-term project. 300 million tokens already locked, which is 30% of the supply is already locked. So that is because to let you guys know it's on chain. You guys can track it on chain. It's to let you guys know that so this is a long-term project. So it's not a pop and dump. It's a long-term project. So try to make sure you get some big chart. The plan is to take it to millions of dollars in the next few years. It's possible. So this is early token. So it just launched between about a few days ago. So we show that we're just getting started. So coming back here, so you guys can see. So this is a public company. They just keep accumulating and accumulating as much as they can. Each time the market dip down, those public traded company they keep accumulating. So which is why most of them they try their possible best to push the market down, to take your Bitcoin and crypto away from you. So if you are retail who are just coming into the market, they will try their possible best to scare you out of the market, scare you out and take your Bitcoin and crypto away from you, which is why I keep telling you that don't fall for it, don't fall for the trick. So if you know what Bitcoin is here to create, why Bitcoin was created in the first place, that so to give you freedom. Bitcoin is here to liberate you. Bitcoin is here to take you out from this current financial system of today that keep taking away your buy power, that they keep printing more and more money, which is just like as I showed you guys just here right now earlier. You can see here, this is a plan B. It's saying that, so why Bitcoin will be going up in value. Those are the things which I keep saying every single day. So that is because, Bitcoin is an asset with a limit supply. But guess what? The fiat system, which is the government money, they will keep printing more and more and more of it. Since to be, they will keep printing more money. Guess what? Bitcoin will keep rising, keep going up in value. So that is because it's an asset with a limit supply. So Russia commercial giant, which is called BYBIT, now accept Bitcoin. So BYBIT now accept Bitcoin and crypto payment from Belarus. So which is quite unique. I keep saying, Bitcoin and crypto adoption keep getting wide. More people keep embracing Bitcoin every single day. Why would you embrace one of the best performing assets in the history of mankind? So one of the biggest freedom. If you hold Bitcoin, I think it's one of the biggest freedom you can ever achieve. That because so it's not like the banking system when you want to send money, so you have to go and take from permission in order for you to spend your money. But in the crypto space, it's totally different. So in the crypto space, it's different. That's because when you are sending Bitcoin out, you don't need no permission. So it's you and your money. So which is why it's very, very important, which is why most of those companies keep embracing Bitcoin, they keep accumulating, as much as they can. Yeah, my people, how are they? So, guys, if you have any question, drop the question on the chat. So, for sure, we'll be doing Q&A shortly. So, not just Russia's company, which are they keep embracing Bitcoin, that keep accumulating. Even if just a few days ago, MetaPlanet added more Bitcoin to their portfolio. As you guys can also see here, Chinese, which is China. China Public Sector, there's a company as well, which is a Jewish holding, just approved up to $1 billion, $1 billion investment in Bitcoin and crypto. We are just getting started, guys. So you guys can see, so every single day, every single month, every single week, you see more people embracing Bitcoin and crypto. This is an asset with just 21 million that will ever be in existence. You guys already know that. So Bitcoin is 21 million that will ever be in existence. But guess what? You guys can see. Just 21 million that will ever be in existence. You can see that more people keep depositing millions of billions of dollars, millions every single day, billions every single day to accumulate as much as they can. And those people don't want to buy in a higher price. So they may even talk to those most of those marketers, like all those marketers like Binance and BYBIT, and let them know that try their best to manipulate the market so they will be able to buy in a lower price. So which is possible. So which is why I keep telling you guys, each time we have a dip, you don't have to be scared. Yeah, the fear and greediness will also show that we are in fear once again. That's because each time the market dip down slightly, many people will be fearful, thinking that, oh, Bitcoin is going to zero once again. I understand how it works. So don't be scared. You guys can see more people keep embracing Bitcoin and crypto every single day, which is why you don't need to be scared. Keep this year, keep holding. Over the past few years, Bitcoin has been going up in value for sure. That's because so it's an asset with a limit supply. No inflation, not like the government money, which is inflation keep eating away our buy power. The government just have to press a button, boom. But guess what? They print billions of dollars, trillions of dollars. You guys were here, which was just about a few months ago, about 2, 3 months ago, when President Trump signed a beautiful bill. What is beautiful about that? That beautiful bill is to print 3.something trillion dollars, which they are printing right now. They keep printing billions of dollars, trillions of dollars, which is why I show you guys just now, which is why the global money supply keeps skyrocketing. And Bitcoin usually follow this chart. So it's hitting all-time high. Global money supply is up. But guess what? Bitcoin is slightly down, and Bitcoin will follow next. So telling you guys that so we still have a long way to go. This is the fear and greediness. As you guys can see, we're in fear once again. The CMC showing that the fear and greediness is between about 39. So which show that so more people being fearful once again. This that is because every single day, like right now, you have people which will be looking into their portfolio, their wallet more than 10 times a day. So if you invest like $1,000, you will be looking at, oh, maybe I'm bid down with about $20, $30. Yeah, we understand that. So Bitcoin and crypto is always volatile. So volatility is real in the crypto space. So which is why there is opportunity. If there is no risk, there will be opportunity. It's very, very important for you guys to know that, so there is risk in crypto. So investing in crypto is risk for sure. So if there is no risk, there will be opportunity. Keep this year, keep accumulating as much as you can each time the market is down. You don't have to be scared, that, oh, Bitcoin is down with a few dollars, few percentage. If you can't hold the 2, 3, 4% dip, you won't be rich. In order for you to be rich, you have to be able to learn how to hold for a long term. Just like someone who added $1,000 to BNB just when 2018. But guess what? Now he is a millionaire just by investing $1,000. So imagine when BNB, when he doubled in price, when it was $2,000, $3,000, even if $100,000, if we would have sold, now BNB is trading between about $1 million per coin. His BNB trading between $1,000 per coin. His $1,000, which invested in BNB 2018, is now valued how much? It's now valued $1 million coin. That's because BNB is trading above $1,000 per coin. You guys can do the calculation. That is huge. So investing $1,000 between 8 years, less than a decade, now $1 million in profit. No, it's very, very important to hold for a long time. Don't be scared. You don't have to be fearful. So coming back here, let's see. This is what I was saying just now. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase. So Brian Armstrong said that a Bitcoin could reach $1 million by 2030. Yeah, it's possible. So 2030 is the next bull market. So I keep telling you guys that I still believe in cycle. You guys can say, even if the smart people who have been in crypto for a while, they still understand that, So why are they say 2030, 2030, 2031? It's another bull market, which Bitcoin is being programmed by code. So another bull market, 2026. If history is on our side, the market will supposed to at least consolidate, dip down slightly, at least by 2027. Then we start recovery back upwards again. So we usually go with 4-year cycle, 1 year down, 3 years up. So 1 year down, 3 years up. But guess what? Each cycle, we don't usually dip down more than previous cycle. So previous cycle, we dip down to $16,000. Now we head up to $124,500. The market is consolidating. Bitcoin is trading sideways. DCA and hold for a long term. Then for sure you will be in profit. So let's quickly see this. So this is bullish news. White House official Patrick Witt, he says that the crypto market structure bill expected to pass this year, and this will really help the crypto market. More financial company to invest in the crypto space, more of those traded company to invest in the crypto space. Once we have a lot of clarity in the market, so we show that so yeah, most of those crypto companies are not most of those protocols are not security. It will really bring more money into the crypto space. Let's look at the market performance before we do Q&A, guys. Bitcoin right now trading between $113,686. Let's say $113,600 per coin. Ethereum trading still trading above $4,000, $4,117. BNB, no, let's check out SRP $2.19. So BNB $1,000.15. So which is huge. Just between this is what I was telling you guys just now. 2018 BNB was $1 per coin, $1 per coin. So during the ICO, BNB was launched. During the ICO was about 10 cents per coin. But guess what? This guy, there's a guy who invested just $1,000 in BNB when BNB was between $1 per coin. He's still holding. It's on chain. Today, he's holding $1 million valuation in his portfolio, more than $1 million. So Solana is slightly down. So if you guys can see in the weekly performance is down with about 8%. It's been trading between about $240 right now, which is why most of the meme coins as well, they're being down slightly. Yeah, which is normal. Sometimes, trading sideways. High liquidity coming here, you guys can see high liquidity is down with almost about 17% in the past 7 days, which is huge. That is because Asta, so one of the Binance token launch, which skyrocketed with about a 2 point, it's now trading between about a 2 point, if I'm not mistaken, $2.5 billion market cap. So it sucked a lot of liquidity out from high liquidity as well. So still trading above $3, around $3.40 right now. So let's quickly look at the Asta. If we can see his performance here, you guys can see here Asta still up with about 146% in the past 7 days, which is huge. The market cap, let's see, which I was saying just now. Whoa, the market cap is now 3.8 billion. It's now trading above $2. That is huge. $2.30. This is crazy, man, guys. As you guys can see. So, guys, most of those token, you guys can see, most of them are still up a double digit. Near protocol is up huge today, man. So something must be going on with near protocol. So near protocol is up with about 15% the past 7 days. Even if the 24 hours performance is still up more than 3.2%. So World Liberty coming back upwards again. You guys can see now trading above 20 cents. So most of the altcoins are still performing good even in the past 24 hours. Dogecoin in the past 24 hours still up with about 2.2% as well. Let's do Q&A, guys. Let's do Q&A, question and answer. If you have any question, drop your question on the chat. Bitcoin recovery back up from the recent dip. So we still show that, so we still have a long way to go. So guys, another reminder, quick reminder. So don't sleep on BChat, my official streaming coin from PopFun. So you guys can see I'm streaming to PopFun right now. Make sure that you are DCA on BChat. It's very, very important. So I'm letting you guys know now. So it's not a financial advice. So you guys will see where B chart will be in the next 1 year. So the market cap is still relatively small, trading between about 17K right now. So we show that, so it's still small, but the plan is to be using 20% of the streaming revenue from a pump fund, at least buy back the 2K and lock it. So, and you guys know what that means. So 30% of the supply is already out, being locked. So 30% of the supply, as you guys can see here, it's already being locked. So the 57% which you are seeing here is the 57% is the liquidity pool, 56% is the liquidity pool, which you guys can see. So let's do Q&A, guys. Let's do Q&A. So you guys can all see it. B chart is live on platform. Make sure you get some B chart. It's very, very important. So let's do Q&A, guys. Gloria. Silver film. There's still much going on with the market. You just that Bitcoin doing its things, Bitcoin trading side, but make the research up and down to know, what is happening in the market. Nothing much happening in the market. What you guys don't know is that, Bitcoin just trading sideways, doing his things. But guess what? For sure, so Bitcoin, it will start skyrocketing once again. What a lot of people don't believe that, don't know that, so many people think, oh, so Bitcoin maybe dipping down, that is when Bitcoin will start skyrocketing. So the Bitcoin and crypto correction, it may be over anytime soon. So it will be trading sideways for now. But guess what? I take it from next month, the market will skyrocket once again. Hey, Favor. Yeah, guys, I'm good. Hakachi, how are you guys all doing? Miraculous, Vincent. What's good, bro? Vincent, I'm good. How are you guys all doing? Guys, make sure you are sharing the stream. Share the stream with your friends and family. Let them know about the Bitcoin crypto. So we can discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. It's very, very important, guys. So we can discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. Share it to your church group. Let them know about Bitcoin and crypto. That is because, so this is one of the best performing assets in the history of mankind. So let them know about it. So that in the next few years, when Bitcoin should be trading, at the Bitcoin trading the next now thing, 2030, when Bitcoin trading $1 million per coin, we don't know for sure. If you read the Bitcoin white paper, you know that for sure Bitcoin is going to $1 million and beyond. So why will we be scared when Bitcoin is trading between $100, even if whether Bitcoin is trading between $100, which I will know it will never trade between $100 once again. Bitcoin will never dip down to $100. Bitcoin is trading between 130,000 right now. So 130,500, 130,600 dollars. We may dip down to 50,000, 60,000, but it's an opportunity to accumulate as much as you can when the market dip down. So you don't have to be scared which time will dip down. That's because it's an asset with a limit supply. So we had the mass supply is 21 million that will ever be existed. So sometimes, when we have more sellers than the buyers, yeah, the market will dip down. And guess what? When we have more buyers than the sellers, the market will skyrocket up. So it's already programmed by code, followed by the 4-year cycle, which most of the traders, they usually follow that. Now they are taking profit. Some of the long-term holders, some of the OGs are taking profit right now, which is why, even if the spot ETF, I showed you guys just now, the spot ETF, just the US spot ETF, we're having outflow negative of about 200 Bitcoin, which is 199.8. So we show that most of those institutional investors, the Wall Street, now they usually trade Bitcoin like a tech stock, but which is not. Bitcoin is a real asset backed by energy. It's a store of value. So it's Bitcoin don't even compete with the Ethereum, Solana, SRP. It's totally different. So those ones are tech, are protocols, but Bitcoin is different. So you need to make sure at least when you are investing, I go with the strategy of 40% into Bitcoin, 20% into big cap, 20% into the mid cap, 20% into the NFT space, which is in the Web3 space. Mr. Bear, I love to you guys all. Greetings, Slade. How are you guys all doing? Victoria. Greetings, Kamaru. How are you guys all doing? Hope you guys enjoy the week. Me to you all. Festus. You guys can cap up them up from S, from YouTube, from Cake, but I always try my best to answer the questions. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. That's from YouTube. Yeah, how are you guys all doing? Yeah, guys, fine. We are here. We are here working in crypto, expecting the market to go up for now. But for sure, our DCA portfolio is coming. So my DCA portfolio is coming when, let's say next year, early next year, when the market dip down. So we'll be buying down and buying up that DCA portfolio. The purpose is to let you guys know that buying and hold for a long term, it works. So I will be DCA in the market using at least about $50 worth in a week, adding $50 to my portfolio was in a week. And you guys will be seeing what I will be buying. Today was in a week. So you guys don't have to ask, oh, what are you buying? So you guys will be seeing what I will be buying to my portfolio. And you guys will be letting me know as well. Most of the crypto which you guys take it will perform better. Then we will make a research. I will know if I will add it to my portfolio or not. So what I will be adding to my private portfolio is exactly what I will still be adding to my public portfolio. That public portfolio will be the DCA portfolio. And you guys will see. So the plan is to make sure that at least buy down and buy up. And when the market is up, create thousands of dollars worth of portfolio just with a few amount of dollars. And it will happen. So guys, I will see you guys from tomorrow, and I will be streaming on Pump Fund Return in the day. So I stream to on Pump Fund almost during the day. So as you guys can see, I'm streaming to Pump Fund right now on the B chart. So the two key valuation is between about $17,000 right now. Between how many days? Between about that's between the past 7 days, 8 days. So which I launch it, my streaming coin on Puffon. To make sure that you get some B chart. Once you're on a Puffon, just type B chart. The top you guys can see the logo as well. So on my hat here. So the first this thing that will pop up, the first token that will pop up there because you have the highest liquidity there. So that is the token right there. And you guys, the link is also in the description on the video if you are watching from YouTube. So the link to Pump Fund is also on the description. So if you also follow me on X, aka Twitter, Charisco Crypto, so you also see the contract address from on my bio. And so you can also join the community from YouTube as well. So guys, I'll see you guys by tomorrow. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So see you guys tomorrow, guys. Charisco is out. Don't forget, you guys are smart and intelligent with Bitcoin and crypto. You know, we all achieve a financial freedom together. You guys who are watching me right now, you are all future millionaires and billionaires in crypto. And you guys will be. All you just need to do is to keep DCA, accumulate as much as you can, so that when the market is up, you will become a millionaire and billionaire just by investing in crypto and hold for a long term. Show you guys just $1,000. Someone turned $1,000 to a millionaire, $1 million. Just it's not a millionaire just between 8 years. It's possible just by buying at least $10, $20 worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana. Each time you have some cash on your side, this year and hold for a long time, then you will become a millionaire. By achieving a financial freedom is one of the best freedom you can ever give to yourself in life. Travel to where you want to travel to without asking anybody for permission. Eat good food, take care of your family, go to the gym. That is why you need crypto. So you don't work for the crypto work for you. Bitcoin, you need more Bitcoin. You need Bitcoin more than Bitcoin need you. So you buy Bitcoin, you hold, and Bitcoin work for you. So guys, see you guys tomorrow, guys. Once again, you can catch up with me on Puffon. I will be streaming on Puffon the time in the day. So the link is in the description. So go on Puffon, follow me. So on Puffon as well. So whenever I'm live, you guys will get notified. Once you come on Puffon, you just check your people who you are following. You find me there. So you find out that I will be live. So we'll be able to discuss there. We'll be able to chat better then. And so you can even send requests and join me on the live stream on platform. So once again, this is the toolkit. There, as you guys can see, big chat. This is the name, as you guys can see, and you guys can see I'm live there now, sitting between about 70K. The plan is to take it higher to few millions of dollars in the next few years. Charisco is out, guys. See you guys tomorrow on YouTube. But later in the day, see you guys on platform.